pepper. Woohoo! That's crazy. Half the boat's red, half the boat's blue. Got Dakota here, gonna tune it up with his laptop, and Johnny's gonna be our chauffeur for the day. So here's a pro for Terminator kit. You get your own gauges. We don't have it hooked up right now because he has the laptop all hooked up. You see his face mostly, but you see the fuel map and all the cool Terminator stuff, and it's free. You don't have to pay for HP tuners or anything like that. You just hook up your laptop, or you can tune most of everything off this little guy. So that's like the main thing about the Terminator stuff, and it's self-tuning. You don't have to pay for a ECU flash or anything like that. So you just plug and play, and we have an O2 sensor on it, so we're trying to tune that out so you don't have to run it all the time, because it's not ideally the best location, but it works pretty good. It echoes pretty good. I don't know if you hear that, but it's pretty windy, but it echoes like throughout the canyon. Sounds pretty sick. For helping us tune our boat. Good job, Johnny, for driving. We're gonna check this. We put a sticker here last year, so it might still be here. Oh, I see it. Oh, dang bird pooped on it. Is it? My shoulder out so bad.
I thought you were holding on.
Not at all.
I'm sorry.
I think you're gonna get on that. My arm's dead. I do that often. That killed my arm.
I didn't mean to do that. I thought you were holding on a little tighter than that, buddy.
All right, that's it. Boat runs good. We got 58 miles per hour. Not the best, not the worst, but better than we thought.
Too much oil pressure.
Got a lot of oil pressure.
It's on that one.
26 pounds at idle. Get on a little. Almost went to 40, 34. We're 2 quarts high on oil. So
with the third trip out.
Third trip out on it. So oil's coming out of some places it shouldn't. But it's not bad. Pretty good.